Customs. Real quick, a quick tip for all you new techs out there. Your port is what makes you a master mechanic. So just looking at any port that you get, you're gonna know how to disassemble it and how to reassemble it and reverse that process that you went through. So always look at the port. After you look at the port, you know what screws you have to take off, so that way you can remove the part and replace it. If you're rebuilding, it's pretty much the same thing with piston sleeves, rough, using the cams, rubber arms, and so forth. Just a quick tip for all you guys out there. Alright, so right here is the transmission pin. You're gonna have 10mm bolts all the way around. Here's the used transmission pan. What you could do if you're using a used one, you take off those magnets, clean it off with brake cleaner, wipe all the metal off of it, and then place it right back into the slots right there. Right here, this is how you change your transmission filter. It'll be a 10mm right there, 10mm right there, and then 10mm right there. Take those off, drop the filter, and get the new filter right there, new filter in, and the new gasket. The gasket's gonna be around the transmission pin, and that's about it. As always, family, General Customs, I'm going.